Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get started. I'm going to take you back a few months back. I started this making these charts. I always make these charts, but let me show you from October 15, 2022. This gold weekly chart finishing its fourth wave. Elliott wave. This is wave 1, then wave 2, then wave 3, ABC correction, wave 4. And that's what I said, that if this is wave 4 finishing here, then we should have wave 5 going to the upside. So what happened to this chart, you can see that we started to go to the upside. The target was this line here or these numbers here for wave 1. So 1802. Wave 1 of wave 5. This 5 wave will unfold, hopefully, in 5 subwaves, right? So we need wave 1, then a dip for wave 2, and then followed by wave 3 to the upside, and then a dip for wave 4, and then wave 5, and like that. So like here, it's like it goes up, and then it comes down, and then goes up and comes down, right? So wave 5 will have 5 subwaves. So this chart, then I had the next chart I made when once we hit this, I said, okay, we are very close to wave 1 finishing. So I said from here, it might go up a little bit to these levels, 1965, 1959, or this is like 78%, it's 1972, right? So yellow mark suggesting that we might go up first there and then drop to 1802. And then we're going to bounce back from here, going to the upside, higher than these levels, right? So this is the chart I made on the 20th January, and look what happened to this chart. Boom. It went up a little bit, hit that band that I had there, right? And it started dropping to this 1877. And I made this chart on 14th February that we're going to break below 1877, then go back to 1802 and bounce. So what happened to this chart is this, and this. We hit 1802 nicely. So on the 24th February, we were there at 1802. And what happened after that? It started to bounce. So on March 1st, it started to bounce exactly according to my chart. And now what happened? It started to bounce more on the March 4th, and let me show you the current chart. I forgot to add the current chart here. Right now, as we speak, the gold weekly current chart is this. So I made, this is the mark that we're going to bounce, and it is exactly what's doing. It came down here and bouncing. So this chart as of yesterday, it's not a chart. I'm going to save it, but this is a live thing. That this is, you can see that it is nicely bouncing, and we are back to almost 1877. And I think that we will continue bouncing, and then we'll go up to the upside. And we have a long way to go, and a lot of trades to take. Now, just from bouncing this, like after like February 28, 29, I had a couple of trades. Let me just show you quickly that I'm taking only the longs that is happening. No, I don't think this is the one. I think after this, you can see here, this one I took on the March 1st, gold, right? Whenever it's dropping or giving me short setup, I'm not taking it because my bias now is just to go to the upside. So I'm taking only long. So go from 40 minutes from 1836 to 1855. And then this one was the last Friday, from 1823 to all the way to 1856 again. This is a big, huge move happened. Then, I caught it. So this is how this system, this entry system, as well as my analysis as well, right? I do my analysis every week, and I do twice a week webinars where I explain everything to my subscribers. And this system, this entry system, is so good. Look at it, how many entries I was, in way before because I was expecting it. But even then, you can see here entries here. Every time this thing is down here and then going to the upside, and the price is above this red line, you can see the red candle turns blue, and that's the entry. See, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, this, all of them. And all of these entries will take you all the way to the upside. And we have a long way to go, like I said. So this is what's happening in gold. And let me quickly show you that what happened, how many trades I had last week alone. Very, very good week I had last week. So this is the first trade. Monday started on the 6th. So March 6th, this is the oil trade. This is pound Aussie on the 6th for 70 pip to the upside. Euro Aussie on the 6th, 60 pip to the upside. On the 7th, I had 7 good trades. Aussie yen down for 100 pip here. Pound Aussie, this was the first one I showed you, and this is the second for 60 pip. You can see all the orders by the book, by the setup, by the alarm. When my alarm beeps, I take the setup and the entry. Euro Aussie 20-minute 50 pip here. This was the first one, and this one here. Pound USD going down for 95 pip. Sell order SL break move to break even plus. On the 7th, pound CAD 75 pip to the downside. Here's my sell order here. USD yen going up for 65 pip, and pound yen coming down for 85 pip. Everything is according to the setup. Once the setup is there, this is the first one, this is the second one. It retraced, give me the second entry. See the CTS alarm 5? It beeps when the setup is ready. Setup requires 4 conditions. When all 4 are met, then my alarm start beeping and then comes in. I come in and then I watch it and then I see it, and there are a couple of other things that I have to match manually. And so I said, okay, look at the 40-minute chart and my weekly chart. If they are in line, I open the trade. So here you can see it, beautiful trade here to the downside, 110 pip CAD yen. This one is Euro CAD to the downside, to the upside, sorry, 60 pip. This one here, 75 pip to the downside. Everything is according to my setup, nothing random. Here going to the upside, 160 pip pound Aussie. Pound Aussie because Aussie got killed. Aussie, after the couple of red news at the interest rate hike, Aussie dollar is getting weaker badly. Pound CAD going to the upside, 115 pip on the 9th. On the 9th, again, Euro CAD also going to the upside for 50 pip. And here, this is the gold that I just showed you a little while ago. And on the 10 pound CAD, look at that, going up so strongly, 150 pip. And here, pound yen, this is 120 pip to the upside. You see that? Pound USD going up on the 10th for 140 pip. And then USD yen going down for, this is after NFP, pound USD and USD yen. Pound, USD was getting weaker, so pound USD went up and USD yen went down for 190 pip. This is the last trade. Not the last one, actually. Yeah, that was the last trade. And this is what happened, actually, the Aussie dollar index. My prediction was here that it is going to go down. I made this chart on the February 4th. For the Aussie USD, not Aussie dollar index, Aussie USD, and look what happened. Because of the Aussie weakness, well, I don't have a chart here. It went down all the way, and we are right here right now, Aussie USD. I didn't have the trade because I was not watching it to trade, but it went down. So I have the analysis and all of that, almost everything, all the indexes, all the pairs, weekly charts were made, and they are ready to execute. And the system is amazing. And once you learn this, once you get it and learn, you can do amazing thing with that. So if you like what you saw, you want to get it, you want to be a part of my group, then you can go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, and then subscribe on a monthly basis. Or if you need to learn everything from scratch and become master of this strategy and this whole trading business from A to Z, every single thing, including Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, and level, trend lines, this, that, then join this one-on-one coaching course. This will make you master of this business. This strategy, this system works for not only Forex, but the commodities, energy, stock, bond, anything. You can open the chart on MT4. You can use the system and do some really amazing things as I'm doing right now. And the current week, you can watch my trades. last week. All the trades are here. The week before that, on this one here, last week trades, you can watch them, all of them here, and my webinar recordings. I do webinar twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, and teach my people, my subscribers, this strategy and everything else. As well as I have this Telegram channel where I constantly posting heads up, giving the heads up about upcoming setups. All these pairs like GJ making short, and you saw that I had a couple of beautiful shorts there. And then here, this is GC making short, so it went down, and then this is GC making long, and it went up big time. If you see long, GC long, where the heck is, okay, this is not, that's a gold chart. See that, did you see, this is the one, this one and this one, GC long, if one entry, this one, the second started from here, from different account, 2 entries. So I posted those entries on the Telegram. So imagine 115 pip and 150 pip. Those only these 2 entries from GC. So this is how the system works, and this is how I do it here, and me and my group. So like I said, that if you like, go on my website and join and start trading. Today is Saturday night. You still have, tomorrow. If there's a little bit of work that need to be done, get the charts get the system, and then you need to set up the charts and get ready for Monday. Start trading from Monday. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a rest of a wonderful weekend. Nice weekend, and then see you guys in trading on Monday. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for my next video. I will make some more videos tomorrow, Sunday. All right, about oil and other things, other indexes, probably US dollar indexes. That is also moving, because we had NFP on last Friday. So yeah, when you subscribe, click on the bell icon as well, so that you will get my videos fast enough so that you can take advantage of those setups. All right, so talk to you guys later.